GOGODINO. Hi! Click here to subscribe.
This is it.
Huh? Ooh.
We need this herb to make the anesthesia.
Got it. We'll get the herb. Let's go, guys. Huh? I think this is it. Let's go find it separately. Huh? There! That's it! It's the herb Professor drew.
Mrs. Brachie, is it hurting again? Starting to itch now.
Shall we try brushing his teeth?
Brush my teeth?
Dad, here's the dinosaur toothbrush.
Okay, let's start brushing. Let's start brushing from the bottom left.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, the bottom right.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. 1, 2.
Almost there. Vicky, can you reach it? Come on, guys. Just a little bit more.
Oh, we didn't get it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
No, not in the least. That herb that the dinos brought back worked.
May, don't run. It's dangerous. Walk next to Dad.
Okay.
Naughty kid.
Come on. Come and walk with me.
May, be careful. My baby.
Huh? Honey!
Mom! Dino drill! Huh? Are you okay? Yes. Thank you so much. Say thank you, May.
Thank you.
No problem.
I think it's this way.
No, honey. I don't see other mammoth tracks. I see half-eaten leaves here. So let's go this way.
Oh, okay. Sounds like a plan.
Mr. Mammoth is really supportive of Mrs. Mammoth.
Like elephants, the mom leads the family in mammoth communities.
Oh, I see.
It's getting dark. It'll be dangerous to keep going on. Let's set up camp here. This looks like a good spot.
Okay, guys. Let's spend the night here. I'll try to find something for dinner with Misty.
We must let the dinosaurs know. Were there any Tyrannosaurus nearby?
The T-Rex live over there.
Loki, why are you here?
I came to help.
You're more helpful when you're not around. A volcano will erupt soon. Everyone go to the beach.
Huh?
A great scary volcano.
A great scary volcano? There's nothing scarier than a Tyrannosaurus.
We are the T-Rex. We're not scared of volcanoes.
If a volcano erupts, even a great Tyrannosaurus will.
Fireballs will come flying.
If a fireball comes this way, I'll bite them all.
My Tyranno tail will smack it away.
Tyranno, Grandpa.
Hello, Loki. Why are you so serious today?
We told them that the volcano will erupt. They must go down to the beach, but they're not listening.
A volcano eruption? That is terrible news.
We're not scared. We're never running away.
We're never running away.
Oh, right. I saw a big Giganato, and he said we are cowards. And that Gigantosaurus are the greatest carnivores alive.
What?
Where is that Giganto?
I saw him down by the beach.
Let's go. Let's show that Gigano who's the boss.
Yeah, we're gonna teach him a lesson.
Grandpa, was there really a big Giganotosaurus?
Of course not.
Huh? Grandpa, you have to go down to the beach as well.
Of course. I'll get some things from my cave first.
Okay.
Are you all ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Well then, let's go!
I'm so glad everyone's safe.
So am I. Oh, the volcano's erupting. Did you count all the dinosaurs?
Professor, Tyranno Grandpa isn't here. What? But we told him. But I can't find him anywhere.
Oh no, he's still on land?
Then we'll go. Tyranno Grandpa! Grandpa, are you okay? Why are you still here?
Oh, I hurt myself trying to rescue this egg from behind the tree.
Huh? Grandpa, did you hurt your leg?
Yes, I fell while coming down.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
Can you walk?
Are you okay?
Ta-da!
Whoa!
Whoa, good job, Tomo!
Rex, I need to go ask Mr. Will if he can give us a lift to the island.
Okay, can you have him waiting at the beach when we arrive?
We'll take it from here.
Got it. See you at the beach.
Huh.
Whoa! The egg hatched.
Really?
It's so cute.
Its parents must be worried.
We lost our egg.
It's near the Tyranno Grandpa's cave.
Okay, I'll ask the dinos.
Professor, we went back to the island with Grandpa Tyrannosaurus Rex. Please tell the Dimorphodon family not to worry. We have their little baby.
That's great. Did you hear that? The dinos have your baby. They're coming back. Don't worry.
I never knew they were this big. I've never seen whales before.
There's a lot of interesting animals in the sea.
Oh, I can see.
My boy.
My boy.
Oh, baby. Thank God you're safe.
Thank you so much for saving our baby.
That's what we do. Help dinosaurs.
What's wrong with it?
The Carno's horn also blocks the sunlight. It must be too bright since his horn is broken.
I feel bad for it.
Could we make a horn for it?
Yes, let's make one for it. That's a great idea. What do you think, Tomo?
Making a horn is a piece of cake.
Then let's get started.
Carno, Tomo will make you a new horn soon, so don't worry.
Tomo, why don't we make one with this tree? Looks pretty sturdy.
Okay, leave it to me. The wooden horn already broke off. A wood horn is too weak. Let's try a stone one.
Oh, gee, the stone horn must be too heavy.
Right. Let's find something else.
Huh? What about this? It's hard, like stone, but it isn't heavy.
This isn't just an ordinary rock, it's jade.
Jade?
Yeah, it's a type of gem. It's very rare.
Wow.
And it is sturdy so it won't break easily.
Then it'd be perfect for Carno's horn.
Yeah, let's make one with this.
I guess it likes it.
Then let's go back to hunt.
But if you move too rash again, you'll fail again.
Then let's practice hunting as a group. But how can we do that? Why don't we act as Carno's friends, okay?
That's a great idea.
Wow. I'll go get prey. Oh, I found one! Over here!
Huh?
Yeah!
Carno, not yet.
Calm down. Slowly.
Right now. Carno, move. Good job, Carno.
Carno, that's how you do it.